the hood. Okay, so I have the top of my hood and my grill glued on. So what I want to do next is I'm going to take all of these pieces, the door and the fender and all that, pop that off with this and then glue it on top here so that I can start to do the frame for my windshield, and then I can start to do the roof across. That's going to help connect these two pieces. Okay, this is the progress so far. I've got the hood and the grill glued. There's the underside. So next, I want to work on the roof. And I have these larger craft sticks, and I want to glue these on top. And I'll just mark where I need to cut. Okay, so for the bed of the truck, five of these should work, and then I'll put a bracing piece across here and glue it down. This should work, and then I'll have a piece underneath to glue it to this underside. So far, I'm waiting for my little wood pieces in the bottom to dry so that I can put my plank that will become the bed of the truck. So I have this covered wire that I found at Dollartree. I snipped off a little bit and I think I'm gonna form this into a little circle and try to fit a little steering wheel onto my little dashboard area. Okay, I've added wood filler into some of the cracks here, and then I put some here to give my truck more of a rounded effect to match the way the silhouette bumps out. So the front coming off this portion, it's rounded. So this needs to dry, and then I can move on to finishing the front portion here with adding my grill and my bumper. using these game pieces, painted silver, and I'm going to use these for my hubcaps and little snippets of wood. I made a rear view mirror and these side mirrors, which is the same method I used for my red truck. This is the mirror that I used to make my rear view mirror and both of my side mirrors. This is just a Christmas ornament from Dollartree. I want to use some of this silver wire and make a grill for the front of the truck. Is really coming together. Now this bed of the truck is a bit short and it's got a pretty nice little depth to it, but I think it would be better if I built up this part with some craft sticks. So I think that's what I'll do, just to give it a little more height. So if I put some Christmas ornaments or some pumpkins or some florals in here that I can add more, since this is kind of low. Just mark where I need to cut, and I'll repeat this on 3 more sticks, and then I'll glue them together, and then I'll put them up here so that I've got a bit more height to add items in, because I'll show you. Okay, this is how tall my paint bottle is, and then this is the depth of the paint bottle, how far it can go down in there. So if I just add a little bit more, then I can really fill it up with a bunch of pumpkins or some Christmas ornaments or some little mini Christmas presents. I think that'll be really cute. But I love the way the truck is coming together so far. Let's pull this tape off. And that's how my little grill looks. There's my mirror, my rear view mirror, and my side mirrors. I really like the way it's looking. Okay, so here they are, all dried and finished. I think that'll be really cute. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah, I like that. And I'm gonna leave them in their natural wood state. I'm not going to put any paint.
side of the wood sign back here. What I think I'm gonna do is kind of make this like pop like a 3D tree. So I'm gonna cut one of these down the middle. And I'm gonna glue either side so I have my little tree points sticking out each way like that. All put together. I did have to put a bit of hot glue for a quick hold along with the wood glue. So I'm going to paint this green, and this will be one of the items that I put in the back. Let's see how deep it is. Really looks good with these. I really like that. So I will add the tree back along with some other things. I'm really happy with the way the truck turned out. It's really cute. I did end up changing the grill. I took the metal off and I decided to go with some hot glue, and then I painted over that with some silver. One of my wheels doesn't exactly sit on the ground. I don't know if I misjudged when I was putting my second truck half on or if there's a defect in one of the signs, but I still love the way the truck looks. Really cute.